Hello and welcome to GenesBibleStudy.com. This tutorial is going to teach you how to research commentary on this website. So the first thing you do is click on commentary, and for the sake of this tutorial we're going to look up my favorite verse, which is Luke. Which is in Luke. So we click on Luke, and it's in chapter 21. So we go down to chapter 21 and verse 36. And so we click on Luke 21:36, and we find our favorite verse in it, which says, "But keep on the alert at all times, praying that you may have strength to escape all these things that are about to take place and to stand before the Son of Man." At the top here we have some links, and if you click on the New American Standard, NAS, it takes you to the verses in Luke chapter 21. And we go down here, and this is Luke chapter 21 of the New American Standard. And if we click on 36, it'll take us back to where we were. Same thing with King James. Takes us to the King James version of Luke 21. And we can come back to the commentary this way.